Well, I think it's important that we understand the role of artificial intelligence in the workforce in general, mainly because I like to say, whenever you consider um, inserting technology into a traditionally human driven process, you still are going to need people. You need people involved kind of at all steps of that process. So you need a human being to figure out where the AI goes. You need a human being to oversee the AI's role in the process. You need somebody to oversee that role. You need someone to fix the AI when it's not working as intended. You need someone to figure out how to redeploy it. You need someone to explain its role to decision makers. So this is a lot of people that need to be involved. So when we have the kind of misconception that we're going to automate large swaths of the workforce with artificial intelligence or other types of automation, this is really kind of a severe misconception. And we already kind of see examples of this happening. And I'll give you guys an example that just happened this week. There's a lot of hubbub around ChatGPT as just a very, very current example. So ChatGPT is a chat bot. A lot of people say it's a more sophisticated chat bot, that it creates writing or creates sentences based on information that it has available at its disposal. But I write for the Wall Street Journal, so I get a lot of pitches from PR people. And this week, I've been getting a lot of pitches from ChatGPT. The problem is the PR people are attaching their names and their emails to pitches that are being created by ChatGPT, but they're not reading them first. And the pitches don't make any sense. And so this is an exact example of what I'm just talking about, where there's no human oversight. The PR people are not reading the, the pitches that are coming out from ChatGPT, and their reputations are being negatively impacted by the fact that I'm reading this pitch and I'm attributing this bad pitch to the PR person whose name is attached. Now, this might have, no consequences in this case, because I'm just saying, gosh, what idiots that they're not reading these pitches before they're sending them out. But if you think about it, this could have massive implications from both an ethical and a legal standpoint. Because at the end of the day, you, as the HR rep or the company that is deploying this artificial intelligence technology, you are the one who is liable if something very bad happens on your watch because of a technology you're using. You cannot blame the vendor. You cannot really blame anybody but yourself. And so I think as a futurist, I would have to advise that I'm going to see more and more of these situations happening in the near future. And so when it comes to AI work, AI can be our friends, they can be our partners. Absolutely, they're a wonderful thing to use. I mean, this whole book, Deep Talent, that I've written is all about leveraging this technology to our advantage and taking this opportunity to explore the possibilities. But you do have to be aware of the drawbacks too. And I think right now it's kind of like the Wild West. Just because we can do something with AI doesn't necessarily mean that we should.